everybody. So today on Let's Play RC Hobby, we have a very exciting day. And that reason is because we got our first drone sitting right here, the DJI Mavic Air. So let's unbox this baby right away.
Hey guys, I'm Kelvin.
And I'm Dylan, and on this channel we do everything RC, including drones, such as tips, tricks, reviews.
We also do repairs, upgrades, some awesome run videos, and guess what? A new drone today that we're going to show you. So Dylan and I are father-son. We love the RC world. A drone is kind of RC, but also this is a good way for us to do some more cool film footage for you. So let's get into it, eh? Yeah. Okay, let's cut this sucker open. So guys, we just want to remind everybody out there, if you get a drone, be sure to check your local laws and restrictions on drone flight. It's different everywhere. Yes. Of course, this is just an unboxing. We want to show you guys what's in here. After this video, we will do some test flights and some more tech type things to share with you guys in a review video. So, nice. Oh, and this is the Fly More package, which comes with some extra goodies. So, okay.
Do you want me to open this first, or you can open whatever you want?
Oh, go ahead. I think this is just packaging. Let's see. Is this just packaging?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay.
So what do I got in here?
That is the drone.
Oh, sweet.
There's stickers on here. You got to remove all the stickers. So we'll just put it in there for now. So it comes with a really nice carrying case for protection. And then in here we have all your books. So in some of our videos with our RC trucks, we say these aren't important. Guess what? This is our first drone. These are going to be extremely important. So we'll put that aside. What else is in this piece here? Okay, so you got some propeller guards. And then this nice little bag is quite heavy, so I'm guessing this is where a bunch of that Fly More combo stuff is being stored.
Yeah, so you wouldn't get this if you just got the Mavic, just the drone. You probably just get this in that box with the instructions and the plate. But it's a Fly More combo, so. Hopefully you guys can see in this camera as well. Okay, so we got some extra blades, propeller blades. I suppose I could open that right up. There's just a little... That's a good idea, actually, because I've had quite a few toys. Airplanes and drones. I mean, not airplanes, helicopters and drones. So. And their blades have broke. But they are toy grade, but I would assume that's...
So you get two of those?
Yeah.
So spare propellers?
Two spares.
Okay, so here's the Fly More combo. Comes with this 4-port charging station. AC power adapter for the charging station, which plugs in under here to power up the actual station itself.
Yeah, and then I think you plug that in just like that.
2 spare batteries. The power cable for the charger. Right here. There are lots of goodies in here. Okay, and then the controller. Well, that's heavy. Heavier than I thought it was going to be.
You got a couple.
What's that? Yeah. The antennas are on top, so they got little stickers and everything all over the place, so.
Yeah, and you guys are probably wondering actually where the controls are. They actually come off and store in.
Yeah, so we'll show them that right here. So we'll take the sticker off the controller. Just put that over with the boxes there, buddy. And then your handles for your iPhone, and I would show you, except for our iPhone, is this camera right here for now. But inside are your little thumbsticks. So they Sorry guys, they screw on and off here. So you can unscrew them and store them in the handle so that they don't get broken, which is really good for travel. So, and then there's a UBS wire here. Now again, we don't know how all of this works exactly, but we will go through it and share some more of the actual tech tips and stuff with you once we take a better look at it. This is just an unboxing, so everything folds down really nice for storage. You have USB and mini USB port cord here, so I assume there's some USB here and all over it. Like I said, we'll go through it all and sort it out for you. And we are super excited to get this thing out and get flying. We want to show you guys some cool footage and the drone itself. Here's a couple more cables, not 100% sure where or what they're for yet.
Maybe we can do a video with the drone camera filming me filming it.
Yeah.
And then you can put over the films.
Another adapter. And a couple extra thumbsticks in case you lose one or two. If you lose more than two, I guess you gotta go to DJI and order some more. Okay, so.
Yeah, so you got lots of extra stuff, eh?
Yeah, and this is a nice little carrying bag. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct, you can get all of this in the bag except for the case for the actual drone. But that's a nice little shoulder bag and a couple of pockets and zippers here to carry your cords and stuff.
One thing I want to mention, there is a red one where this is red, and there's also one where this is white.
That's right.
But we got the black one.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all that. Now if I could see that, please.
Yep.
We will pull the stickers off here. Here you go, Dylan.
I like stickers.
Here's another one, Dylan.
Stickers! Stickers are cool.
Alright, so the arms on the drone. Trying to remember how to do this. I did it in the store.
You just gotta pull it on it.
Okay, so.
I think part of your problem there is you don't want to break the lid here.
There we go. Okay, so the back legs come down and up. The front legs come straight out. Of course, this one's not coming out. There we go. There's stickers all over this thing for holding it together in the packaging. They all have little notes on them to tell you stuff.
I'm just putting them all on the box. I'm making my own sticker decoration on the box.
These little landing gear legs come down, but there's actually antennas in here. And then these stickers here are just to protect the shiny little chrome piece there. And then here's your cameras in here. They have a gimbal protector on here. There's two little tabs you squeeze and pop off that way. Oh. And then there's your 3-axis gimbal. 4K camera. So yeah. So that's it, guys. Super excited to get out and play with this guy. Oh. Battery, there's 2 tabs you squeeze and pop. And it has a safety. The red on there, if it's still red like that, it's not locked in properly. Once the red disappears, it is locked in properly. So those are a couple of the quick little tech tricks I have learned already. So that's it, guys. And we're gonna try and get this guy up in the air and get you some cool footage as soon as possible.
So also don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that like button. And also make sure you share this video and hit that notification bell. I would very much appreciate it. And anyway, see you guys later.
Until next time, get out and play. Bye for now.